Hi, my name is Mark Chaplin. I'm a Videopro account manager, and today we're at Brisbane Grammar STEAM building. So the STEAM building is 5 levels made up of 38 classrooms, multiple breakout spaces, multiple types of meeting room spaces, there's digital signage, there's a central atrium space and also a large boardroom. And the boardroom is where we are today.
My name's Mitchell Collins. I've been at Brisbane Grammar School for 11 years. My title is Digital Innovation Specialist. We're looking to engage the students in science, maths, arts, engineering and technology. We wanted to create sort of the seamless transition between teaching and innovation so that we could have the technology almost like fade into the background so that the teachers could use the screens without even having to think about it.
The STEAM building is one of the largest deployments of AV that I've seen in any educational facility. So technology differs from space to space, but a lot of the spaces are multiple LG commercial panels, and each commercial panel has a Crestron NVX decoder with an encoder at a touchdown station. There's Shure lapel microphones for teacher voice uplift in every space. There's Crestron ceiling speakers. Brisbane Grammar is a Crestron house school. Most of their spaces are Crestron controlled and have traditionally been Crestron controlled for a long time. The whole benefit of having a Crestron controlled space is for ease of use, knowing that any teacher can come into the space, even if it's not their traditional room, and take over and use it with confidence.
Teachers have been able to walk in straight away and use the system, and the system feels like it is an enabler, not a barrier. Our pedagogy is to no longer teach from the front of the classroom, it's no longer to lecture students, it's to teach from the centre of the room. And the wireless presentation that this building allows means that the teachers can be side by side with the boys as they're teaching them.
Each general learning area is fitted out with a 7-inch Crestron touch panel. There's multiple displays around the room with decoders. There's a touchdown point with an NVX encoder, so the teacher can send either the Vivi or a laptop connection to any of the displays in the room. The displays all have an HDMI connection for localised student breakout space. The boardroom is a Crestron Flex controlled space. It's got an Ava PTZ camera, and it has 2 Sennheiser Team Connect 2 ceiling mounted microphone arrays. There's multiple meeting room spaces, which are Microsoft Teams rooms with Logitech Rally solutions. There's a large atrium space, which they use as a town hall assembly space, which has a ViewPix wallpaper LED. It's 4.8 wide by 2.7 high, and it's a 2.5mm pixel pitch LED. It has a Meyer audio sound system. It's got some Allen & Heath mixing desk capabilities, as well as overall Crestron controlled for that simplified ease of use. And that ViewPix LED makes a huge impression when people come into that space because it's a crystal clear picture quality and it's not affected by any of the ambient light that's coming through the room.
It was amazing how everything came together. The striking atrium space when you first walk in creates this sort of amazing aura. So you get lots of wows from the students. You know, they've watched it come out of the ground, so they kind of, I guess, know what to expect, but when they walk in for the very first time, they're still sort of blown away. It's everything we hoped it would be, and it was kind of like a stepping stone. It gives a peek into the future, I think, of teaching.
The technology within the STEAM building is a bit of a showpiece, and lots of other schools are interested in the technology and wanting to replicate what Brisbane Grammar have been doing in this building. The feedback's been that everything has been super reliable. We've had very little number of service calls out to rectify any issues, and the general teacher experience has been fantastic and super user-friendly. It's been great working with Brisbane Grammar and seeing such a large-scale project come to fruition, and we look forward to working with them again in the future.
I feel like this building represents the future of teaching at BGS and is the foundation about how we base teaching.